Hello everyone, welcome to Royal Constructions and Interior Decor. Today we will discover unique and latest shoe rack or shoe storage ideas. Make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe to channel. Please watch the video till end. It is undoubtedly important for all of your shoes to be organized. Not only does keeping them in one central location keep your house or apartment clean and tidy, doing so will ensure you can find any pair you need at a moment's notice. Everyone knows that shoe collections can easily get out of hand, especially if you have a large family. There are many shoe rack ideas available for you to select. Everything from do-it-yourself shoe racks to customized shoe cabinets. Whichever shoe storage ideas you choose, consider not only their functionality, but also their home decor wow factor. Whether you own only a few pairs, or you are an avid shoe collector, there is always a creative and clever way to store and organize your shoes no matter your space or style preferences. It is a shame when you have purchased a number of very expensive shoes and due to improper storage they get damaged. Not only that, the most beautiful of your heels should not be hidden from view but rather displayed in an innovative way and with pride. The vast amount of different storage options is an excellent opportunity to show off your personal tastes and interior design skills. No matter which room you decide to store your casual or dress shoes in, seriously consider at least one of these shoe storing solutions. There are many kinds of shoe storage options available. Make a decision on which type of shoe shelf suits your storage needs and fits comfortably in the amount of space available. For those with little floor space, consider a mounted wall unit or a footprint wire shoe rack. If you are looking for a multi-purpose storage solution that you can store other things in addition to shoes, purchase a shoe storage pyramid or a wooden shoe cabinets. When possible, choose a design that takes advantage of otherwise unused space, such as the area underneath the stairs or hanging from your door. If you have children, there are innumerable options available to help declutter consistently messy rooms. If you do not have the budget to construct your dream walk-in closet with dozens of wood-finished shelves, create your own shoe rack, whether it be out of PVC pipe or with simple woodworking. Understand what types of shoes you want to store, how frequently you plan on using them, and determine what would be the most convenient place to situate them. Before you even consider which of the many above options to choose from, figure out what you prioritize the most. Whether it is aesthetics, functionality, saving space, preservation, or ease of access, finding the model that aligns with both your needs and preferences is important. A shoe rack is not only functional and practical, but also has the potential to be an interesting part of your home decor. If you enjoyed these beautiful shoe rack and other shoe storage design ideas, make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe to Royal Constructions and Interior Decor. Have a joyful day ahead. Thank you. Enjoy the video.